You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary too many people get wrong in English, including from anatomy, so stay tuned to the channel. Now, two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, it's usually pronounced as retina, retina, retina. Stress on the first syllable. Now, in American English, it's usually pronounced more as retina, retina. It's easy, retina or retina. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, it helps a lot, thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there, thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.